Okay guys, so in today's video we'll be installing the LED fog light from Auxito. Again, this video is made in collaboration with Auxito. If you want to purchase any Auxito LED, just follow my link below and you can use the discount code FGSAVE12 to get 12% discount on your purchase. Okay, so again, we got here an Auxito LED fog light. These are the H11, same with H8 and H16. This will be installed on our 21 Toyota RAV4, and we got the golden yellow 3000 Kelvin. And specs, these are IP65 9 to 30 volts, light source or CSP, and then operating temp -40 to 176, operating life hours 30,000 hours, which is a lot. Again, these are made from aluminum, and according their application is for fog light or DRL. So this are the bulbs. They look awesome. Again, this will be an honest review. They send this one out to me for free. This full disclosure in there. This housing are again made from aluminum. They are fanless, so still a concern of mine is they don't have fan. Again, so for the heat dissipation, I don't know if they're gonna last that long, but we're gonna find out.